Hello crypto community, once again welcome back. I am Roast Crypto Astronaut. So guys, today we are diving into another awesome project. It's called Peep Vaccination. Basically this is the one of the best project in 2025. So guys, first of all you can see final chance to buy below the list price. You can check out Peep now has their own blockchain. Step into the golden era of memes where adventure Peep has uncharted unlimited treasure are revolutionary layer 2 blockchain. So guys, before going the further video, I'm just saying this is not an investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So you can see layer 2 while light paper taking cashback, and the pre-sale is also mentioned here. Don't have a wallet. Top exchanging listing on confirmed people vaccination. Dollar Peep is officially confirmed for the fair launch on major global exchange, including you can check out all the exchange mentioned here. Update, you can check out the latest update. Pimp up pad, and you can check it out. 2-click launch anti-bug security zero cut. You can check it out. Pump.fun but on Ether. And here you can see about Peep Egypt in the deserts of the meme kingdom. Adventure Peep discovered a crypto map landing in the treasure for greater than gold. In your layer 2 blockchain, you can check out this power. He created dollar Peep token, transforming the Peep into the revelation, crowning himself a king of memes. Reddit is falling in golden era. The blockchain ecosystem, DAX, bridge, staking, dev, more to come. How to buy dollar Peep, create a wallet, select token to amount, buy and approve the transaction. Project development 45%, and you can check it out. Staking and reward at 20%, dual 10%, marketing 10%, liquidity 7.5%, team 5%, and you can check it out. 8 million token supply, Peep vaccination roadmap, and you can see the making. You can see their phase 1, they are making Peep vaccination break from the chains of our updating layer 1 system, harnessing layer 2. You can see their first of all launched of $A Peep token community building with the early supporters. Partnership is a strong foundation. Step 2, the greatest Egyptian. You can check your pre-sale with the exclusive reward for early adopters, and you can check out their all the roadmap mentioned here. Community engagement, meme driven events layer 3, and you can check out what is Peep vaccination. Basically, Peep vaccination is a dollar Peep takes the legendary more coin Peep on the next level. More than just a token, it's a revolutionary meme coin ecosystem designing for red fire crypto transaction with cutting edge technology. And you can check it out. Where can I claim my token? You can check it out all the information by yourself. We love the memes on chain positivity, and you can see this official light paper. If you want to light paper, staking cashback is also mentioned here. If you want to buy, you can also check it out. Buy double reward, you can also check out the reward section is also mentioned here. You can check out full website by yourself. So guys, welcome to the dollar Peep staking. You can check it on Connect Wallet. 0% of pool, 50% buy and stake. If you want to buy, you can also claim reward here. Simply click on buy option and your token will be successfully buy. This is official buy section here. Simply you need to connect your wallet and enter your amount here. How much you want to buy with your ETH token? I mean, how much you want to dollar pay vaccination with Ethereum? Enter your amount. Like if you want to buy with 1 Ethereum, and you will be get your token like something. Then click on Connect Wallet. Then click on you can also buy with card. After clicking the connect wallet, your connect wallet has been successfully connected, and you need to just confirm the transaction, and your token will be successfully buyed. And you can check out 31 October to our rewards, and you can see their price chart is also mentioned here. Reward distribution logic, and each and everything pre-sale is alive. Each and everything mentioned here. You can check it out. This official white paper. You need to just refresh the page if they are not loading. I mean, it takes so much time. So this is very amazing project. You can see the DAX tool is also mentioned here if you want to check the DAX tool. And about EPP Egypt, as I already told about this, you can check out if it is above 5%, 5% Ethereum. You can check it out their PEEP vaccination of the TG is ready. PEEP token pre-sale is also mentioned here, as I already told about this. Step into a golden age of where adventure PEEP has been uncharted. Seamless connection between ETH and PEEP chain. Minimum transaction cost increase the throughput 100%. This is the one of the best project in 2025. So guys, I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.